Hi, hello everybody. How are you all? I hope all are fit and fine. I am also doing great by the grace of Almighty God. So, guys, at this moment, I have come at the Raidak Sravani fair. Okay, and after coming here, I can see so many peoples are coming from different places because today the last week of the fair. That's why so many people have come from different places to visit in this fair. Okay, and at this moment I am entering into the Sravani fair. Okay, and finally I have reached in front of the Snan Ghat. Okay, so guys, after coming in front of the Snan Ghat, I can see many peoples are taking video, photo, selfie, standing in front of the Snan Ghat. Okay, so guys, now I will show you how many peoples are visited in this fair. Everything I will show you in this video. Okay, so guys, the video keeps watching till end. Okay.
পূর্ব চকচকারায়ডা শ্রাবণী মেলার গান এসো এসো সবাই মিলে শ্রাবণী মেলার তীরে পূর্ব চকচকা ডাকছে তোমায় আনন্দেরই নিড়ে রায়ডাক নদীর হাওয়া বয়ে মন যে যায় হারিয়ে